Hey y'all, come with me make the best 4th of July appetizer. First, I'm going to cube up some sweet potatoes, then I add some oil and the original Cajun seasoning from Ragin Cajun, mixed it all together, threw them in the oven. Then I took the kernels off of some corn, added some more original Cajun seasoning and some oil, and then I threw that in a pan to cook that up. And then in the meantime, I cut up some bell peppers, I got some cilantro from my garden and chopped that up as well. And then I combined that into a bowl, and then after that, I added the best part, the sweet jalapeno relish, combined that in, and then my corn and my potatoes are looking done, so I added them also into the bowl. And then I added some lime juice. I did about 2 limes, but this is up to preference. Mix it all together, chill, and then it's ready.